Hello students, this is the lecture number 5. I had discussed the simplest form the last period, that lecture number 4. Write the simplest form. Okay, and today also we will continue the same problems. Write the simplest form. Write the simplest form. Tan inverse of under root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. So what is x lies between 0 to pi. Write the simplest form. Tan inverse of root 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. So x lies between 0 to pi. So this is very simple. Given expression tan inverse of root 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. So it is given trigonometry functions. And I go to formula only. Tan inverse of root 1 minus cos x formula 2 sin square x by 2 whole divided by 2 cos c square x by 2. Tan inverse of root 2 to cancel, tan square x by 2. Tan inverse of tan x by 2 is equal to x by 2. So this is the simplest form. X by 2 is called a simplest form. Okay. So trigonometry functions means you go to formula only. Tan inverse of root 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x, both are formula only. So finally it comes tan x by 2. Tan inverse of tan x by 2 is x by 2. Even the same problem in the differentiation, take y and he asking find dy by dx. And not necessarily the direct form method, but you go to simplest form and differentiate. And you reduce this simplest form means x by 2. So x by 2 derivative is 1 by 2. It's very simple. Okay, this is also the simplest form. Write the simplest form. Tan inverse of 3 a square x minus x cube whole divided by a cube minus 3ax square. Write the simplest form. So this condition a is positive, modulus of a less than 1 by root 3. I think minus 1 by root 3 to plus 1 by root 3. Sorry, a by root 3. X value. What is the modulus of x? A by root 3. Or x value minus a by root 3 to plus a by root 3. Okay? Right. Given expression tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube whole divided by a cube minus 3a x square. So I told that previous class, in this position whatever it is the number, no, that is dividing. Divide by a cube. Divide nr and dr by a cube. equal to tan inverse of 3 a cube divided means 3 into x by a minus x by a whole cube whole divided by 1 minus 3 x by a whole square. Now we'll get substitution, put x by a equal to tan theta. So what is the theta here? Tan inverse of x by a. Tan inverse of x by a. Tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. I am taking x by a is tan theta. X by a is tan theta. Theta value tan inverse of x by a. You know this is formula tan inverse of tan 3 theta. Okay, it is compound angle. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, tan 3 theta. Now you go to inverse property, tan inverse of tan theta is theta, it becomes 3 theta. 3 into, what is the theta value? Tan inverse of x by a. 3 into tan inverse of x by a. Even this problem comes in same problem differentiation, and first you should write simplest form, then it is differentiate. Okay, so this problem is very important, and wherever a cube is there, you mix 1 divide by a cube, both nr and a, numerator and denominator by. Okay, so 3 into x by a minus x by a. Putting x by a is tan theta, it comes tan 3 theta. Next example, write the simplest form. Write the simplest form. Cot inverse of root 1 plus sin x plus root 1 minus sin x whole divided by root 1 plus sin x minus root 1 minus sin x. Write the simplest form. Write the simplest form. We know that 1 plus sin x can be written as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. There is no condition, you can take anyone, either sin plus cos plus, okay? Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square, a square plus b square 1, 2 sin x by 2 cos x by sin x. And 1 minus sin x can be written as cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. But here the condition is not given. Okay? And better whatever sin plus cos, and if it is condition is given, sometimes cos is greater than sin. Cos पहले लेना पड़ता है. So cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Cos x by 2 minus, because the a square plus b square 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos sin x. So these two are very, very important formulas, okay? And substituting, given expression cot inverse of root 1 plus sin x plus root of 1 minus sin x divided by root 1 plus sin x root of 1 minus sin x. This is the given expression. Cot inverse of, what is the root 1 plus sin x? Square root cancel that. Only cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. What is the root of 1 minus sin x? Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Whole divided by, what is the root? Same, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 minus plus sin x by 2. रूट 1 प्लस साइन एक्स, इसको रूट ले तो इसको स्क्वायर कैंसिल होता, cos x by 2 plus sin x, इसलिए cos x by 2 and plus sin minus cancel, here cos cancel equal to cot inverse of twice into cos x by 2 whole divided by twice into sin x by 2, 2 times AB 2 times equal to cot inverse of cot x by 2, because 2 cancel cos by sin cot. You know what is the cot inverse of cot x by 2? X by 2. So least form, simplest form, and this problem read the simplest form, it is x by 2. Even I told that this same problem comes in differentiation. What is the differentiation? Question style, y equal to रहता है, y equal to find dy by dx. इधर तो डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन है, तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डिफरेंस डायरेक्ट मेथड. इसको पहला इसको क्या करना, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में लिखे तो ईजी होता है. सो व्हाट अबाउट दैट सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म इज आंसर, इट इज x by 2. व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x by 2? 1 by 2. ओके, सो इनवर्स, दिस इज ओनली सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म इन द इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्री. Simple differentiation by method of inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, up to here x by 2 is simplest form inverse trigonometric functions. इसको differentiation करें ना, it is a differentiation inverse. Okay, there is no difference. Same, write the simplest form. Tan inverse of root 1 plus x minus root 1 minus x whole divided by root 1 plus x plus root 1 minus x. Write the simplest form. Write the simplest form. So previous one root 1 plus sin x, but here root 1 plus x some substitution लेना. root 1 plus x है, इसको फॉर्मूला ना ऐसा सब्सटीट्यूशन करने. मे बी इट इज x इज cos थीटा ले तो इसको फॉर्मूला था 1 plus cos थीटा, 1 minus cos थीटा भी फॉर्मूला है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज दिस इज गिवन एक्सप्रेशन, पुट x इज इक्वल टू cos थीटा, theta equal to cos inverse of x. X is cos theta equal to tan inverse of root 1 plus cos theta root of 1 minus cos theta whole divided by root 1 plus cos theta root 1 minus cos theta. Tan inverse of 1 plus cos theta formula, 1 plus cos theta formula 2 cos square theta by 2, 1 minus cos theta formula 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, these two are very important. इसको रूट डाले तो root 2 cos theta by 2, root 2 cos theta by 2 minus root 2 sin theta by 2 whole divided by root 2 cos theta by 2 plus root 2 sin theta by 2. Here 1 plus cos theta, root 1 plus root 2 cos theta by 2, here root 2 sin equal to tan inverse of cos. This number is dividing divide n and dr by root 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, tan inverse of, what is that? This dividing, this is 1, root 2 to cancel tan theta by 2, 1 plus tan theta by 2, 1 minus tan theta by 2 plus 1 plus tan theta by 2. And previous class I explained this formula is there, 1 minus tan by 1 plus tan of pi by 4 minus, ये minus बोले तो minus, plus means plus, equal to tan inverse of, what is the 1 minus tan by 1 plus tan of pi by 4 minus theta equal to pi by 4 minus theta. Pi by 4, what is the theta value? You are taking x is cos theta, theta value cos inverse of x. So this is the simplest form. Even not only x square also it comes, x cube, x to the power 4, whatever it is. So this is the final answer, simplest form. So इसको क्या आता है, डिफरेंशिएशन आता है, ये जीरो आते हैं माइनस 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This is the inverse trigonometry function simplest form. डिफरेंशिएशन पूछे तो इसको h लिखना पड़ता, a स्टेप लिख के इसको डिफरेंशिएट करे तो इजी होता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस. Anyhow, this is the substitution problem. Okay. Anyhow, the formula only it is. See, same type problem. Write the simplest form, tan inverse of root 1 plus x square plus root 1 minus x square whole divided by root 1 plus x square minus root 1 minus x square. And this is the simplest form. Your previous problem, पहला sin x था, पहला next x था, अब x square है. Even not only x square, x cube also is for x to the power 4. In generally, x to the power n. But whatever it is there, x square, x cube, x4, x5, whatever it is there, but you should take always cos theta only. Okay. Now what is this problem? Put x square only, cos theta. Theta एक change होता है, cos inverse of x square. But इधर theta क्या हो गया नहीं, cos inverse of x. But इधर theta क्या, cos inverse of x square. Same. That is pi by 4 is आता, numerator plus है ना, plus आते हैं. ये tan pi by 4 plus theta आता. अब minus plus बोलो तो plus. Now what is theta only? This theta, what is the theta value? Cos inverse of x square. Even x cube, pi by 4 plus theta cos inverse of x cube. Anyhow, that always cos theta only. X square is cos, not x. X square is cos theta. X cube is cos theta, not x. X cube is cos theta. Next problem, find the value of tan sin inverse of 3 by 5 plus cot inverse of 3 by 2. Now almost the simplest form is over. So find the value of tan of sin inverse of 3 by 5 plus cot inverse of 3 by 2. ये प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा दिखे तो मालूम होता है क्या कैसा सॉल्व करना है. I think this tan of a plus b formula. Tan of a plus b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan of a plus b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a. इसको क्या करना, tan a में लिखना है, इसको tan b में लिखे तो हो गया. ये tan a, इसको ये एंगल लेना tan a आता, इसको b लेना tan b आता. tan of a plus b फॉर्मूला. सपोज ये साइन रहे तो साइन ऑफ a plus b, ये cos रहे तो cos of a plus b, cos रहे तो cos of a plus b, tan रहे तो tan a plus b, साइन रहे तो साइन ऑफ a plus. कंपाउंड एंगल फार्मूला इसको लिख. ये दोनों स्टैंडर्ड एंगल नहीं है, ये 3/5 का दोनों स्टैंडर्ड एंगल है, तो इधर सब्स्टिट्यूशन करके सॉल्व करने हैं. ये दोनों स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स नहीं हैं, इसके लिए इसको क्या करना, ये लेना, इसको बी लेना. सो आई स्टार्ट. लेट साइन इनवर्स ऑफ 3/5 3/5 इक्वल टू ए साइन ए 3/5. Now I told you this is very simple. The inverse units is the most important right angle triangle. One is trigonometric functions. If you know the one trigonometric function, other 5 also you will get easily because you are using triangle only. ये 3 है, this is 5, this is 4. Therefore, sin inverse of 3/5, tan inverse of 3/4. Sin inverse of 3/5 equal to tan inverse of 3/4. Okay? And what is the next? ये already tan में आता है, cot reciprocal of tan हो, and cot inverse of 3/2 equal to b. Therefore, cot b equal to 3/2 and tan b. इसको डायग्राम ज़रूरत नहीं है, ऑलरेडी tan में है. cot बोले तो रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ tan b इक्वल टू 2/2. अदर देन cot रहती है, इसको भी ट्रायंगल लेके लिखना पड़ता है. ओके, अब नो यू गॉट tan a एंड tan b. साइन इनवर्स ऑफ okay. Now direct tan a is 3/4. Tan a tan b. Right. Given expression tan of sin inverse of, this is I am taking a plus b. Totally this is a, this is b. Tan of a plus b. Tan a plus tan b whole divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan of a plus b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. What is the tan a value? 3/4 plus 2/3 whole divided by 1 minus 3/4 into 2/3. LCM 12 आता, 4 and 3. ये 9 plus 4 2s are 8 by 12. ये 12 into 1 12 minus 6 by 12. 12 cancel. 17 divided by 6. This is the 3 marks problem. Find the value of, and before सॉल्विंग, ये दोनों स्टैंडर्ड एंगल पे तो ए एंड बी लेना। अब दोनों स्टैंडर्ड तो इधर इस वैल्यू डाल के tan ऑटोमेटिक आता आंसर। दीज टू आर नॉट स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स, ओके, दीज टू आर नॉट स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स, एंड इफ यू टेक दिस इज ए एंगल, दिस इज बी, यू मेक्स tan A, this is B, this is A tan A, this is B tan B. So you are finally answer 17/6. When you take same type homework, एक थोड़ा कोशिश करना है आंसर क्या tan of, find the value, tan of cos inverse 3/5 plus tan inverse of 1/4. This is a tan A, this is B tan B. ये ऑलरेडी tan B में है, इसको ट्रायंगल ज़रूरत नहीं है, ये ट्रायंगल ज़रूर है, इसको tan B A में लिखना, ट्रायंगल में थे ये 3 5 एंड 4/3 आते हैं। tan of cos inverse of 3/5 plus tan inverse of 1/4. Find the value of, I have to take one more, cos of sin inverse 1/4 plus secant inverse 4/3. This is the cos of A plus B. Let sin inverse of 1/4 equal to A sin A 1/4. ये कंपाउंड एंगल ऑफ कॉस है, 4 एंगल्स आता, sin A को cos A लिखना पड़ता। What is the, this is A angle, A1 4 16 minus 1 15 बोलो तो 16, this is 1 opposite and hypotenuse 16 minus 1 15, root 15 will comes. So what is the cos A? Root 15 divided by 4. What is sin A? Sin A 1/4. A 1 4 square 16, 16 minus 1 15 root 15. So you want cos A, no, adjacent by hypotenuse. So this is cos A. Sin A को cos A लिखना, and secant inverse of 4/3 equal to B. Secant B 4/3, cos B 3/4, cos B। अब क्या होना, sin B होना, sin B। इजी मेथड ट्रायंगल होने, A3 है, A4 है, A3 A4 16 minus 9. What is the 16 minus 9? Is 7, root 7 comes. ये 3 4 16 minus 9, 16 minus 9 17, ये 16 है, ये -9 है, ये 7 है. Okay, root 7. So what is the sin b? Therefore sin b equal to root 7 by 4. How many angles you got? 4 angles. One sin a cos a, another cos b sin b. Now better you go to formula. What is cos of a plus b? Cos of a plus b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. See what are the value of cos a? Root 15 by 4. Root 15 by 4. What is the cos b? 3 by 4 minus sin a 1 by 4. What is the sin b? Root 7 by 4. Equal to root 3 root 15 LCM से आता minus root 7 by 60. अभी क्या तो CET में तो ये आंसर तो लिख लें, अदरवाइज क्या तो सिंप्लीफाई करना पड़ते. 3 root 15 minus root 7 by 16 is the answer. So this is the cos of a plus b. Even sin of a plus b also comes. Anyway, cos and sin 4 angles. For example, यह sin a cos a लिखना, इधर cos b आ गया ना, sin b लिखना. Right, one more. Prove that tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Condition modulus of x less than 1 by root 3. Show that tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square is tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. When you take RHS, tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. So this is already I explained 3 times of, I explained 3 sin inverse, 3 cos inverse, 3 tan inverse. Tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3 tan inverse of x. 3 tan inverse of x. Formula is that tan inverse of x cube minus tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square 3 times of tan inverse of x. What is the value of tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 is t3 tan inverse of x. 3 को कैसे लिखना? tan inverse of x plus 2 into tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x as it is. What is the 2 tan inverse of x formula? Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. So you got left side. Now I am proving right to left. Okay, right 3 tan inverse of x आता है ये फॉर्मूला है. अदरवाइज सब्स्टिट्यूशन पुट x is tan theta. x is tan theta बोलते हो 3 tan theta minus tan 2 theta by 1 minus 3 tan square. tan 3 theta आता है tan inverse of tan theta 3 theta 3 tan inverse of x. 3 tan inverse of x को क्या करें 1 tan inverse of x plus 2 tan inverse of x. 2 tan inverse of x also form is there. Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. One more, find the value of tan 1 by 2 bracket sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse of 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square. tan 1 by 2 bracket even 1 by 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 1 by 2 इधर भी आता इधर भी आता बट ही इज टेकन आउटसाइड 1 by 2 sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus cos inverse of okay. So this is given expression okay. अब given expression a b form नहीं आते 1 by 2 this is the formula only 2 into tan inverse of x ये x है 2 tan inverse of x, y है 2 tan inverse of y. What is the sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus s? 2 tan inverse of x. 2 tan inverse of x, 3 formula is there. One is sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, 2x tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus all are 2 tan inverse of x. 2 times of tan inverse of x, there are 3 formula. ए बी फॉर्मूला एक्स है ना ये 2 tan inverse ये y में है 2 tan inverse of y. But you take 2 is common and 2 is multiplying tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equal to tan of formula is there tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. And tan of tan inverse of x is x plus y by 1 minus xy. But condition xy less than 1. Okay, this xy less than 1 means you will get a formula. Condition क्या भी नहीं दी इधर condition बोल तो xy less than 1 but is given it ऐसा क्या तो रहता प्रॉब्लम में देते नो find the value xy less than 1 but here this formula xy less than 1 okay. ये कंडीशन तो देना है प्रॉब्लम में बट इधर मैं नहीं दिए बट फिर भी इसको xy less than 1 xy less than 1 x plus y by 1 minus xy okay. So lecture number 5 and today is also simplest form. Write the simplest form and some tan of a plus b, cos of a plus b, sin of a plus b and simplest form in terms of x how to substituting what is the substituting that x value or x square value. So anyhow and lecture number 5 and hardly takes 2-3 period maximum is 2 periods only. So it is easy chapter only have to practice only practice थोड़ा trigonometric related रहता trigonometric formula थोड़ा practice करना बस कुछ भी नहीं only the most important is trigonometric formulas okay. When you there you should know that formulas and definitely will get good marks not difficult chapter okay. And continue the lecture number 6 okay. The lecture number 6 that another type problems solve for x how to solving for x in the trigonometric inverse trigonometric functions find the value of x okay. That is one period I will explain. So another see that tomorrow I will continue the solve for x okay. Thank you very much.